All right, here's a quick demo on how to use and how not to use the stylus that Chris McGinley brought over and I put in your mailboxes. So it has two ends. This end here is kind of like a more blunt end. You use that just like kind of like you would a Sharpie. You know, it might be for highlighting or anything like that on the screen. To replace this, there is a replacement. You simply unscrew it and screw the replacement on like that. Okay. Now the other end is the one that you're likely going to be using more often. This screws off, and you've got this this kind of fine point tip that doesn't look very fine point because it's got like this flat circle. Do not remove that. That's not a protective cap. That's there so that you can rest it flat against the surface. So when you put your pen down, it kind of flattens, and as you write, it's easier to keep that on the screen. So don't remove that. If you do need to replace this tip, you actually do just yank it out. You do not unscrew this. And there is a replacement for that in here, okay? So you'd actually just yank it out. I wouldn't suggest doing it unless you really need to, but that's how you use it, okay? And then, you know, you screw this back on to protect it. So that's that. He did give me another box of these tips, okay? So if you ever go through this first one and you put the replacement in and that breaks, I do have more.